क्योंकि
Okay,
मिनिस्टर
madam.
पूछ रहा है कि प्रूफ देना है क्लास का, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाई,
Okay.
सो आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग, ओके, राइट? चलो, सो हाँ, एडमिट ऑल कर दिया, एडमिट ऑल. Shall we start or wait for, because already 10 people have joined? I am unmuting all of you, okay? Unmute. Unmute all. Okay, right? Shall we start or wait? हाँ, वो लोग अनम्यूट, वो लोग म्यूट कर दिए क्या? अनम्यूट कर दिए?
I think so. Only 2-3 are left. They will just
अभय,
join.
ये
Abhi
अभय को हरदम प्रॉब्लम होता है. एडमिट तो कर दिया, अभय आ जाओ बाबा. आ गए अभय साहब? हाँ आ गया अभय, आ गया शायद. हाँ आ गया अभय. तो शुरू कर ले. लेट अस स्टार्ट. ओके, राइट. चलो, आप लोग का क्वेरी था, यू पीपल वेर आस्किंग मी लाइक how to write psychological report. I think we had not, I think we have already discussed about, I have taken a theoretical class on psychological report writing with all details. Okay, right? And today, as promised, I had told you that I will be telling you how to write your records. Okay, whether it is for assessment, intellectual assessment, or whether you are doing any projective test, whatever it is, the format of writing the report would be same, right? Report writing का format same रहेगा. So I'll first, all of you know about the comprehensive psychological report. All of you are familiar with that? हाँ या ना बोलो?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You know how to write comprehensive psychological report. So today, from your
Yes, ma'am.
exam point of view, I will tell you how to write your, how to submit your records. Okay, right? Is it clear, Sirisa?
Yes, ma'am. Clear,
Okay.
ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
So when you are submitting the record, the first part is like, I think I had already told you in your record, first 4-5 pages you have to give introduction to psychological assessment in the field of disability rehabilitation. That will be the introduction chapter. Psychological assessment in the field of disability rehabilitation. Okay, right? Okay, so you will be writing about what is psychological assessment, what are the methods of psychological assessment, what are the different approaches to psychological assessment, and what are the different areas of psychological assessment. I think all, if I remember correctly, if I remember correctly, I have seen all of you attending Venkatesan's, Dr. Venkatesan's session. All of you have attended that? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Approaches to assessment, Anindita. Approaches to
Yes,
assessment. The session was on approach.
हाँ मैम अटेंड किया था.
Attend किए थे ना आप लोग? Okay, चलो. So approaches to assessment भी
Yes,
लिखना है, methods of assessment लिखना है, areas of assessment, but all should be in brief with specific focus on assessment in the field of disability rehabilitation. Okay, so that ends your introductory chapter when you are writing the record. Okay, right? Then after that, you are writing case by case. Okay, so when you are writing about the case, suppose particular client whom you have assessed, so you will start with case history part. Got my point? Case history part, like you are taking the case history, here you will be writing about the demographic detail of the client. Okay, and because it is a practical record, so here you will be writing, you don't have to mention the name of the client because confidentiality has to be maintained. You don't write the name of the client, you just say A, B, C, X, Y, whatever it is. Clear? Okay, Anindita? Anindita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, hello? Anindita?
हाँ मैम.
Okay, right?
जी मैम.
And
Yes, ma'am.
then you write date of birth, age, gender, all your demographic variable, education or everything. Okay, right? Then after that, like you do in your case history, the same way it starts with presenting complaint, right? Presenting complaint, like you are writing in your case history, what are the presenting chief complaints and duration of each complaint. Okay, and then you go to, after presenting complaint, then you go to personal history, right? So under personal history, you will be writing about prenatal, natal, and postnatal, right? Is it clear? I think I had told about all this in the beginning itself. Prenatal, natal, postnatal. And when you are writing about postnatal history, there you can mention about any medical history. Okay? Niva, Niva, you are there? Uh, okay? Right? So, any medical history also you can write. Suppose during prenatal, suppose during say postnatal period after birth, the child was put in incubator or whatever it is, that you can write in postnatal. Okay, because that is after birth. And then after that, what you can do, you can write about your postnatal history ho gaya. Then you write about the family history also. Postnatal के personal history में you write about the family history also. Or before family history, when you are writing postnatal, you write developmental history. You got my point? Developmental history, like about all milestones, right? Hello. Write about the milestones like motor milestones, speech, everything. Okay, all the milestones, whether it was delayed or was on time. Okay, and you can follow that table which is there in the case history format. Motor area, but don't write about dressing, feeding and all that. Just you write about sitting, stand, neck holding, sitting, standing, walking, language like one word level, then two word phrases like that. Okay, so that is about your developmental history. Then after developmental history, you write about family history. Okay, and in family history, please do not just say that comes from a nuclear family or comes from a joint family, it is a consanguineous marriage or non-consanguineous marriage. Not just that, you have to write in detail how many brothers and sisters the child has in the family, how many members are there, what is their status. When I say what is their status, that includes whether they are going to school, if they are going to school, in which class they are, if the siblings are doing some job, what job they are doing, and what is their mental status and what is their physical health condition. And again, very important is the relationship between family members, right? Relationship between family members. And like you remember in case history, I had told you, when you write about relationship between family members and even support system, from whom the family is getting support. Do they get any support from other family members? Financial support or emotional support, all those things, right? Right, Anju? Anju, Sirisa, Angrilla,
Yes, ma'am.
Pothiredi ji,
Yes,
Gangadhar.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, everybody is there. हाँ.
everybody is there. So ये सारी चीजें लिखना है. अगर ये
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
लिखना रहेगा आपका record में, then you know I will take the record and tear it and throw it out of the window. Okay, right? चलो. हाँ. So developmental history हो गया, family history in detail. If there is any history of mental illness, mental retardation, whatever it is. But that means everything in detail about family history. And after family history, what are you going to write? Family history के बाद क्या लिखोगे बताओ? अच्छा, अभी record में लिख रहे हो ना, तो record में you have to give the pedigree chart, right? Pothiredi ji, because you are writing it in the record, so you give
Yes, madam.
so you give the pedigree chart.
Pedigree
over.
chart after developmental milestones or before developmental milestones?
Sirisa, I didn't get it. Pedigree chart तो दोगे. What else you are asking?
डेवलपमेंटल हिस्ट्री के पहले पेडिग्री चार्ट ड्रा करना है, जैसे कि प्रीनेटल नेटल होते ही
ना
या उसके
prenatal
बाद
जहाँ पर आप फैमिली हिस्ट्री लिखोगे, where you are writing
उसके
about
नीचे।
family history, there only you
हाँ।
will get the pedigree chart, right?
ओके मैम।
ठीक है, आइदर आप फैमिली हिस्ट्री पहले लिखो, एक काम करो, आप क्या करो, ये 1 मिनट,